It's currently after 1 a.m. and I wanted to fix my rear door, hatch, trunk, whatever, on my new car, my 2002 Toyota Sequoia. Can't see it, shit right now, but yeah, I was taking this piece off, and just to show you, I didn't have a way. It's like I said, after 1 a.m. I don't have time. There's nothing open to go get pieces. So I made my makeshift little lever that you keep seeing on YouTube. But I just had to find a spare bolt and nut to use. It's barely jimmy rigged. Hopefully it'll work. And then basically we're deleting the cable. Come over here, and when I was messing with this part over there, pulling it off, I was having trouble with the connections, and I was just trying to pull this back to get some more space back here for my fingers, and I pulled it so hard I broke the opposite one, the tab lever, and that's what I'm using as my lever. So Toyota gives you something. Just thought I'd share that on YouTube, guys. Okay, showing my mistakes. I had it flipped the wrong way. I don't think it's gonna fit that way, so I need to curve this. If you're looking at this side, I guess I need to curve it down, and then I'll play with it from there. Let's try that. I don't know, I guess it was late. I was getting delirious or something, but it took me a while to figure out. But make sure when you're putting it through that you push it all the way. I was sitting there thinking my thing wasn't fitting, but yeah, there's gonna be a little gap, and then make sure this lip comes all the way out of the body and then tucks over. I was thinking my shit didn't fit, and really I just hadn't pushed it all the way down through after making my adjustments and flipping my makeshift lever around. It comes off of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up right here. Got a few started. 1, 2. I'll plug this back up. Here's the rest of my screws. Alright, so I will go back with a zip tie, Velcro, bolt, or something, but today I just I just duct tape the holy heck out of it so that it'll stay. That's to prove my theory. I put a lot of duct tape there, so we're good. Harbor Freight, shout out. Please sponsor me. Please like and subscribe.